In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise hand in Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to get the host's attention without interrupting the conversation, the raise hand feature is the easiest way to do it. It's especially useful during classes, team meetings, presentations, or any situation where multiple people are speaking and you want to wait your turn. Once you're inside the Zoom meeting, look toward the bottom of your screen. In the meeting controls, you should see a heart icon with the label React. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a small window will open, showing different reaction options, along with a few extra buttons. In that panel, look for the button labeled Raise Hand and click it. As soon as you select it, Zoom will place a raised hand emoji on your participant tile in the meeting. This lets the host and other participants know that you'd like to speak or ask a question. It's a simple visual cue, but it helps keep meetings organized and makes communication much smoother. If you don't immediately see the hand on your own tile, don't worry. In most cases, Zoom still registers it, and the host should be able to see that your hand is raised. This feature is designed to be quick and unobtrusive, so you can signal that you need attention without breaking the flow of the meeting. When you're done, or once the host has called on you, you can remove the raised hand just as easily. Go back to the bottom of the screen and click lower hand. That will clear the hand icon from your tile and return you to normal meeting mode. A quick tip: if the reaction menu looks slightly different on your version of Zoom, that can happen because of app updates or differences between desktop and mobile layouts. But in general, the raise hand option is usually found inside the React or Reactions menu. And that's all there is to it. Raising your hand in Zoom is a small feature, but it makes a big difference when you want to participate politely and clearly in a meeting. Once you know where to find it, it only takes a second to use.